Today, I want to show you something very important. Most beginners think AI works like magic, but actually AI works based on some instructions. So if your instructions are weak, then AI gives you average results. But if your instructions are detailed and well structured, then AI can generate production level applications. So here we are not just asking AI to build an application, we are basically guiding AI like senior developer gives instruction to his team. So in coming video, I will build a React Native Nodes application using Expo. But before that, let me explain you the complete prompt engineering structure to create a React Native application from the scratch. So the prompt for this node making application I have already pasted in this new file named as spec.md, but now I will show you how we can create a prompt to build any new application. So this is the section 1, and in this page I will explain 8 sections for AI prompting. So this is the prompt engineering blueprint, and in this blueprint I will explain 8 sections for improving your prompting to build any kind of application. So the section 1, we start by telling AI which technologies we are going to use. For example, React Native, Expo, Native Build, TypeScript, Supabase. These are the things that I am going to use in this React Native Expo application. Why is this important? Because AI needs direction. If we don't specify the stack, AI may choose different frameworks or inconsistent technologies. So first, we define the front-end framework, styling system, and the backend, and the programming language. So this creates a clarity for the AI. Section 2, next, we will explain how the app should feel. So here we use words like premium looking, modern startup app, smooth UX. So these kind of the words we are going to use when we are talking about the app UI look. So this is very important because AI is not only a coder, AI also acts like a designer. So instead of saying build a notes application, we say build a premium startup quality Notes app. In the section 3, now we guide the design systems. We should mention dark mode, light mode, smooth animation, rounded corners, spacing, gradients, loading skeletons, empty states. So these are the basic things that we should mention about the design systems. Why? Because professional apps are not just functional. Professional apps feel smooth and polished. And this is how real world applications are designed. In the section 4, after designing, we will explain about the functionalities. Like if I want to create a note application, then I have to mention like what kind of functionality this application should have. Like create notes, edit notes, delete notes, search notes, real-time syncing, and auto-saving of the notes. So this section tells AI what the app should actually do. Without this section, AI may only create the UI without proper logics. So features define the core behavior of the application. Now, the section 5, premium user experience feature. Now we add advanced UX details. For example, we should mention swipe to delete, toast message, pull to refresh, long press interactions. So these are all the small things, but these small things separate beginner's application from professional applications. When user feel vibration, animations, and smooth gestures, the app suddenly feels much more premium. So now section 6. Section 6 is about architecture and about the code quality. Now we control how AI write the code. We instruct AI about the reusable components, reusable hooks, scalable folder structure, TypeScript everywhere, and proper error handling. Why is this important? Because AI can generate messy code if we don't guide it properly. So good developers don't only care about the UI, they also care about the maintainability, the scalability, and clean architecture. So we guide AI like a software architect. Section 7 is about the performance optimization. We should add this performance optimization in our prompting. So here we also add some performance instructions like avoid unnecessary re-rendering, optimize performance, and ensure all dependencies are compatible with the latest Expo SDK. This is important because AI may otherwise generate inefficient codes. So prompting is not only about asking about the features, about the UI, but prompting is also about preventing bad practices in code. So now let's talk about the section 8, which is your backend. I am using Supabase as a backend in these applications. Now this is the powerful part of our application. We tell AI to handle backend tasks too. For example, the SQL schemas, the real-time configurations, the authentications, the API integrations, the edge functions. Modern AI is not limited to front-end. AI can now also generate database setup, backend logics, APIs, and real-time syncing. This is why AI development feels so powerful, because we can handle front-end as well as backend using AI. So the biggest lesson here is that AI performs best when instructions are specific, well-structured, detailed, and goal-oriented. This is why prompt engineering matters a lot, because a well-structured prompt can generate startup quality applications. Now, I hope you understand that the better you communicate your vision to AI, the better software AI can create for you. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then do subscribe for more related content, and if you have any doubt related to the video, then do comment. So happy coding and bye-bye.